Want to go further and ride longer? Well, Sargent is on a mission to get you comfortable without compromise. Whether it's our World Sport Performance seats or our REVolution line, both products are designed to bring more smiles and more miles to your next ride. So let's check them out. Catherine here with Sargent Cycle Products. Sargent is a worldwide leader in premium motorcycle seating and accessories. Our World Sport Performance seats are complete replacement seats that include our lightweight, precision-made base pans, supercell foam, patented zone suspension body contour technology, and topped off with your choice of premium upholstery. Pick your seat, pick your style, and you're good to go. The ultimate in convenience, these seats are ready to ride right out of the box. Our REVolution seating line is a foam and cover only product designed to be installed on your stock base pan. Just like our complete seats, our REVolution line also features the same great supercell foam and zone suspension body contour technology, and with the same top quality upholstery options. And best of all, we handle the whole process with professional installation and a 48-hour in-house turnaround time. We even arrange for shipping and cover the cost. Or if you prefer, you can have your favorite local upholstery company do the job. With either product line, don't forget to ask about our other great accessories like our EM5 backrest systems or our Heat Boss heat upgrades, and we'll have you on the road to comfort in no time.